Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the half double crochet slip stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, how to make the slip stitch, and how to make the half double crochet stitch. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. Starting from the very beginning, making chains, you're going to make any number of chains. I have already made 22 chains on my hook. To start row 1, we're going to start our first half double crochet slip stitch into the second chain from our hook. Yarn over your hook, insert your hook into that second chain, grab that yarn, pull it through, pulling up a loop. Then you're going to continue to take that loop that we pulled up through the other 2 loops on your hook to complete that half double crochet slip stitch. So we're going to continue to make one in each chain, yarn over your hook, insert your hook into the next chain, grab that yarn, pull it through, pulling up a loop. Continue to take that loop we pulled up through the 2 loops on our hook to complete that stitch. Yarn over your hook, insert your hook into the next chain, grab that yarn, pull it through, pulling up a loop. Take that loop, pull it through the other 2 loops on your hook to complete that stitch. Now you're going to continue to make these half double crochet slip stitches into each chain across. And that's how row 1 is looking. To start row 2, make 2 chains. So row 2 is going to be very similar to row 1. We're going to be making those half double crochet slip stitches into each stitch, so we're working into stitches instead of chains. Yarn over your hook, insert your hook into the first stitch, grab that yarn, pull it through, pulling up that loop. Continue to take that same loop through the 2 loops already on your hook to complete that stitch. Yarn over, insert your hook into the next stitch, grab that yarn, pull it through, pulling up that loop. Continue to take that loop through the 2 loops already on your hook to complete that stitch. Yarn over, insert your hook into the next stitch, grab that yarn, pull it through, pulling up that loop. Take that same loop through those 2 loops you already have on your hook to complete that stitch. You're now going to continue to make half double crochet slip stitches into each stitch across. And that's how row 2 is looking. You would now repeat row 2 for however long you want your project. And that is going to be how to make the half double crochet slip stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here, and have a great day.